Good morning to all. Today we are going to see that exercise 2.5, third sum. So the question is, find the first term and common difference of the arithmetic progressions whose nth terms are given below. Tn is equal to minus 3 plus 2n. So in this question what is given? That nth term is given. You find the first term and the common difference. So we want to find the first term means A, that is T1. And the common difference we want to find. So two things here we want to find. So what is given? The nth term, the Tn is equal to minus 3 plus 2n is given. So here when n is equal to 1, you substitute n is equal to 1, you will get the first term. So T1 is the first term. So n is equal to 1 means T1 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 1. That is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 1, 2. So minus 3 plus 2. So two numbers have different symbols. So you subtract the biggest one to the smallest one and you write the biggest number sign. So 3 is the biggest number. So 3 minus 2, that is 1. Biggest number is minus sign. So you write minus 1. Next you substitute n is equal to 2. You find T2. So T2 is equal. If you put n is equal to 2, then T2 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 2. Instead of n, you substitute 2. So you will get minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4, two numbers different symbol, you subtract, you will get 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Biggest number plus sign, so plus 1. Next one more term you find, that is n equal to 3. So T3 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 3. That is equal to minus 3 plus 6. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So now we will get 3 terms. That is minus 1, 1, 3. Etc. If you are finding n equal to 4, 5, 6, so put etc. Now from this you find what is A. The first term is the A. So minus 1 is A. Then what is D? D is equal to T2 minus T1. That is equal to 1. T2 is 1 minus of minus 1. So minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2. Then second subdivision, Tn is equal to 4 minus 7n. For this sum also, first you put n is equal to 1 more. Then you will get T1, that is equal to 4 minus 7 into 1. So 4 minus 7. So biggest number minus smallest number, that is 7 minus 4, 3. Biggest number minus sign, so minus 3. Next you put n is equal to 2. So you will get T2 is equal to 4 minus 7 into 2. That is 4 minus 7 2s are 14. So 4 minus 14, that is minus 10. Then you put n is equal to 3. You will get T3 is equal to 4 minus 7 into 3. That is 4 minus 21. How much 4 minus 21? So here you will get 17. That is minus 17. Because n is equal to that minus, biggest number is in minus sign. So you have to put minus 17. Now you will get 3 terms. Minus 3, minus 10, minus 17. Then you put etc. Then what is A? A is equal to the first term minus 3. Then what is D? D is equal to T2 minus T1. You subtract the second term minus 10 minus of minus 3. That becomes minus 10 minus into minus plus 3. That is equal to minus 7. So D is equal to minus 7. A equal to minus 3. That is the answer for the second one. Then we have to go to the third. Next fourth sum. Find the 19th term of an AP. Minus 11, minus 15, minus 19. So 3 terms are given. T1, T2, T3 it is given. You should find the 19th term. So from that you should find what is A. A is the first term, that is minus 11. Then next you find the common difference, that is D. D is equal to T2 minus T1. So the second term is minus 15 minus of first term is minus 11. Now it becomes minus 15. The minus into minus, if you multiply, you will get plus 11. So minus 15 plus 11 is equal to minus 4. May two numbers different symbol la irukumbodhu biggest number la and smallest number sub panni biggest number la enna sign irukko that sign you should put here. Okay. Then you know A and D. After that, find the 19th term. So n is equal to 19 it is given. So we know that formula for nth term is equal to, nth term means Tn, nth term. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T19 is equal to A, that is minus 11, plus n minus 1, 19 minus 1 into minus 4. All the values you substitute. What is A, n, D? All the values you know. All the values you substitute in this formula. You will get minus 11 plus 19 minus 1, 18. 18 into minus 4. First you have to multiply these two. First you multiply. After that only you should add with that minus 11. So here you say minus 11. 18 into minus 4, if you are multiply, you will get 18 into minus 4. So, plus into minus, that is minus. 8 4s are 32. So, remaining 3, 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So, now you will get two numbers, that is in minus sign. Minus 11, minus 72. So, two numbers have same symbol, means you add the two numbers and you write the sign. So 11 plus 72, if you are adding, will get 83. Both the numbers have minus sign, so you put minus 83. Okay, so the next sum, which term of the sequence? Fifth one, which term of an AP 16, 11, 6, 1, etc. is minus 54. So now you see this one. Which term of an AP is 16, 11, 6, 1, etc. is minus 54. So already I told about this one. Which term? How many terms are there means we use that formula, that number of terms. So n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Using this formula you find that number of terms here. That last term is given, that is L. So L is equal to minus 54 and A is equal to first term 16. Next you find D. D is equal to 11 minus 16. If you subtract, you will get minus 5. So 16 minus 1, 5. Biggest number minus 8, so minus 5. Now you substitute all the values in that formula. So n is equal to minus 54, then minus 16 divided by minus 5 plus 1. Now you see this, simplify first this one, after that only you add with 1. So minus 54 minus 16, if you are adding two numbers of same symbol, you will get 6 plus 4 10, carry over 1, so 2 plus 5 7, minus 17 by minus 5 plus 1. So now you cancel it, both the side minus sign, numerator and the denominator. So you have to cancel it. Then 1 time, 4 times. So now you will get 70 divided by 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So n is equal to 15. So which term of an AP, that question? So 15th term of an AP. You should write like this. 15th term of an AP is minus 54. That's all for this sum. So the next one, sixth one, you find the middle terms of an AP. So here you see, find the middle term of an AP of an AP 9, 15, 21, 27, etc. up to 183. This sum also you see, you want to find the middle term. But here it is given the last term given. So you have to use which formula? First the number of terms, n formula. N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Using that formula, So using that formula, you find the number of terms. So n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So what is that L? L is equal to 183, the last term, minus first term 9 by the D. We want to find the difference between two terms. D is equal to T2 minus T1. So what is the T2? T2 is 15 minus 9. So how much 15 minus 9? You see, here you will get 6. That is the common difference, D. Then you substitute here that L 183, A minus 9 by D6 plus 1. So 183 you subtract 9. So here you will get, you see, 183. In the rough column you will do that subtraction mark. 3 minus 9. Can you subtract? No. Borrow 1. It becomes 13. Here it becomes 7. So 13 minus 9. That is 4. Then 7. 174. So here you write 174 divided by 6 plus 1. First you have to simplify this one. 174 you divide it by 6. If you are divided by 6 you will get 2 times 174 2 times 12, then 54. How many times? 9 times. So 1, here 29. So 29 plus 1, 30. So you will get n is equal to 30. So n is equal to 30 means here we want to find the middle term. So n is an even number. So that middle term, how will you find means here n by 2. Here we use this formula to find the middle term, that is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. So n by 2, that is 30 by 2 and 30 by 2 plus 1. So here you will get 15 plus 1, that 15 and 16th term. 15th and 16th term. Okay, that is the middle terms. So you will get two terms. One is 15 and another one 16th terms. So next you find T15 and T16. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T15 is equal to, here that A is 9 plus 15 minus 1 into D is equal to 6. That is 9 plus 14 into 6. So you multiply this two, then you add with 9. So 14 into 6 you multiply, 4 6 are 24, remaining 2, then 1 6 is 6, 6 plus 2 8. So 84 plus 9 is equal to 93. The next you find T16, that is equal to 9 plus 16 minus 1 into 6. That is 9 plus 15 into 6. Now you multiply this to 9 plus 15 into 6, 5 6 are 30, remaining 3, 99. So T15 is equal to 93 and T16 is equal to 99. The next sum,